face to face.
Hey guys, welcome back to Maxyy's Kitchen. My name is Maxyyy. If you're new here, you're warmly welcome. If you're a returning viewer, you're welcome back, but please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't done that yet. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys what I eat in a day, okay? So typically, I would just start with breakfast, but I had some wellness shots in my fridge. I had a turmeric, ginger and cayenne wellness shot. So I had that right after I brushed my teeth. And then after that, I went to the bathroom to shower, to do my skincare and just get dressed. So after getting dressed, this was me getting ready for breakfast. I had 2 pain au chocolat that I got from Waitrose. You guys can see it's on the pack. So I just popped that in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes. And I also had a cup of iced coffee. So I made a vanilla latte, oat latte on this day, and I had it with the pain au chocolat for breakfast. Usually I would skip breakfast, but ideally I would love to have breakfast, okay, as a uni student that has work to do almost every day.
Someone I'm not really into. Do you need to fix it?
So even though I don't have a full breakfast every single morning, I always have a cup of iced drink. So it can be iced latte or iced matcha. And whenever I'm having this drink, I just call my family, either Meg, my mom or my dad, just to check up on them. And that's exactly what I did on this day.
Not blue.
So after I had breakfast, I was just chilling. I was catching up on a YouTuber's vlog. She's called Princess Berland, a Ghanaian YouTuber. I was just watching her vlog, and I was also getting some work done at the same time.
Who's gonna make you?
So typically I would eat once or maximum twice a day, but in this video I ate 3 times. Okay, so this was lunch. I was just prepping lunch. I had some french fries with some breaded chicken breast. Okay, so I just popped both of them on the parchment paper on this baking tray and then popped it into the oven for a couple of minutes. So this was actually around 1 p.m. and I was waiting for my lunch to cook in the oven. I just wanted to drink water, but I wanted it to be very refreshing. So I just added some tonic water to my regular still water and added in some mint and lemon slices for flavor.
She didn't love you back. All she did was leave a hole in your chest. You didn't get that job, even though you really gave it your best. And now you're wondering what's the point of anything at all? But let me tell you what, that's just life putting you through the test. Before the dawn, it's always dark. Before the light, there is a tunnel. Before you run, you gotta stumble. When you fall in love, but it don't work out. When you've cried at least 100 times. When you feel so stuck, but you can't get out. Just remember, there will come a day when it all works out, and you didn't even have to try. You will find a way if you hold on now, and remember that the only way is up from here. You say you're getting old, but what do you know about what's to come? 'Cause what the future holds, nobody knows till the race is all won. So if you're wondering what's the point of anything at all? It's to live your life, live it right now, 'cause you only get one. Before the dawn, it's always dark. Before the light, there is a tunnel. Before you run, you gotta stumble. When you fall in love, but it don't work out. When you've cried at least 100 times. When you feel so stuck, but you can't get out. Just remember, there will come a day when it all works out, and you didn't even have to try. You will find a way if you hold on now, and remember that the only way is up from here. The only way is up from here.
So at around 4:30 p.m. I started prepping for dinner. Now I started prepping this late because I didn't want to have early dinner. It was intentional, and I was making beef short ribs. That was going to take, that took 2.5 hours to cook, but I wanted to have dinner at like 9 p.m. because I was so full from lunch and breakfast. So here's me cutting my onions, my celery, my carrots. Now I don't have a recipe video for this on my channel, but I have a recipe video for slow cooked lamb shanks. Okay, it is the same exact recipe that I used in that recipe video. I just changed the protein in this one. Okay, so if you want to know how to do this dish, please go and watch that recipe video. I would link it below. But I still walked you guys through the steps. Even though it's not that detailed in this video, I still showed you almost everything.
Waste of work, waste of breath. 'Cause I've got nothing to say. Thoughts they burn inside my chest. Can take it one more day. No matter how much pain I'm in. so much, 'cause I really care too much. It's all just overwhelming, I'm just overthinking. I feel like I'm too much. Keep mistaking my anxiety for intuition, and stress keeps getting in the way of my ambition. Logically, I know I shouldn't feel this way, but my body doesn't agree with my brain. I'm looking over my shoulder, worrying it's over before it starts. I'm looking over my shoulder, worrying there's no one there who cares like I do. I really wanna feel free, but I'm worried I will lose me. Somewhere along the road, I start feeling cold, get caught up in something old that's been further down the rabbit hole. Down to go, down to go. Ooh. Logically, I know I shouldn't feel this way, but my body doesn't agree with my brain. I'm looking over my shoulder, worrying it's over before it starts. I'm looking over my shoulder, worrying there's no one there who cares like I do. In the past, worry about the present. How do I make it last? Oh, make it last. In the past, thinking about the future. Is it gonna be like that? 'Cause I'm looking over my shoulder, worrying it's over before it starts. I'm looking over my shoulder, worrying there's no one there who cares like I do. Someone must have broken my heart, like really torn it apart. In another life, in another life, someone must have really picked me up, like caused my heart to stop. In another life, in another life. Otherwise, I don't know why I keep coming back.
So this was my last meal of the day. I had it at around 9:15 p.m. It was my dinner and it was absolutely delicious. Okay, I like everything slow cooked in red wine. So I really enjoyed this meal. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you subscribed to my YouTube. I hope that you loved this video, and I have so many vlogs on my channel if you're new. So kindly subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and please like, comment, and share this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.
Someone must have made me feel bad, but who I was and what I had